Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another amazing episode. And today I am going back in time because almost last year on, what was it, May 24, the May 24th long weekend last year, which was just so, why? Anyways, I did a sketching Bowser video, and that got 61 views and 41 likes and a whole bunch of awesome comments. Anyways, originally I wanted to do a Super Mario Bros. Style where I kind of like this, you have one picture here and one picture here and one picture here, and you just kind of make a collage out of it, which apparently is what I've been doing a lot lately, and you guys seem to really love it. So I said, okay, let's see if I can put Super Mario Bros. In it this time. And my golly gee, we did it. By the way, if you're not yet, please follow me on Instagram, because that is where I'm doing all of my live streaming, and you're more than welcome to actually join in these live streams as well. Yes, you can join. 4 people plus me, so it's me and 3 others. You can all join. Even if you're not an artist, you can still join in on my Instagram. I'll have a link in the description below. If it's not there, go to my bio, it will be there. But anyways, it is such an exciting day. I hope you're all enjoying yourselves and staying safe from this COVID-19. I mean, now we're in a 3rd, 4th, 100th wave. It's, but anyways, me being safe here in my art studio and just drawing and improving and having a lot of fun. But anyways, I don't want to drag it all on. But anyways, by the way, yes, the beard is getting bigger. Look at this. It's just non-stop. But yeah, so I figured, okay, let's see what my progress has been from last year to today. And stay to the end, I will show you guys the comparison from last year's Bowser to today's Bowser. So anyways, without further ado, let's get sketching.
So you wanna go to war with me? You're talking like you think you're royalty. You think that I'm afraid, but I don't break. I heard you question my stability. You think I'll fall just like a guillotine, but I am here to stay. Won't look away. The storm is coming, so you better start running. No, you can't control, feel it in my bones. I'm coming for the, coming for the. I'm coming for the throne. For the throne. So you wanna be my enemy? You should've known I'd never kiss the rain. Ice runs in my veins, won't play it safe. I don't belong with your nobility. Who died and made you king of anything? You think that I'm insane? It's your mistake. Kingdoms rise and fall. I've come to take it all. I'll take it. I've come to take it. Kingdoms rise and fall. I've come to take it all. Coming, so better start running. No, you can't control. Feel it in my bones. I'm coming for the, coming for the. I'm coming for the throne. Coming for the throne. Can I be your star tonight? You fill my soul with light the day we met. I don't wanna leave your side. Have me by your side when the sun sets. Let's leave for an eternity. We'll sail across the lights beyond the sky. I'll be with you eternally. I'm an addict for your love, it keeps me high. Be your star tonight. You fill my soul with light the day we met. I don't wanna leave your side. Have me by your side when the sun sets. Let's leave for an eternity. We'll sail across the lights beyond the sky. I'll be with you eternally. I'm an addict for your love, it keeps me high.
on my wrist, baby, make a wish. You could sell your Rari, but you can't afford my outfit. Versace on my wrist, baby, make a wish. You could sell your Rari, but you can't afford my outfit. Versace on my wrist, baby, make a wish. You could sell your Rari, but you can't afford my outfit. Versace on my wrist, baby, make a wish. You could sell your Rari, but you can't afford my outfit. Make a wish. Make a wish. Versace.
And here it is, the ultimate Super Mario Bros. Drawing. So here's the finished drawing with Mario, Luigi, Bowser, and Princess Peach in their glorious fashion, which is great. And as promised, here is last year's Bowser. This was the Bowser I did last year in the May 2-4 weekend. It was fast drawn. Line work was not really good. There's no ink lines. The pencil crayon was Stedler and not Prisma, so didn't get the pristine colors as you see here. So, but I can definitely say that after an entire year, I have dramatically improved from this drawing to this drawing. So proportion wise are really well on this one as opposed to this one. I still had about this much of the page left, so but I finally did it. I got to do my Super Mario Brothers collaged overlapping drawing I've always wanted to do. So but there you go, you can now see the difference between the two. But I will leave a link for this video if you actually would like to watch this. But other than that, thank you all so much for watching. Again, if you're new to the channel, please feel free to subscribe if you want to see some more content like this. Also, follow me on Instagram because that's where I do my live streams, where I start the foundation of all of my drawings before I go ahead and ink and color for the finished video. So, and you can also go on there, talk to me, interact, and all that fun stuff. Until next time, ladies and gentlemen, I'll sketch you later.